3. Today we're going to carry on looking at time. Last time I spoke to you, we spoke about this side of the clock where we say past. Today we're going to be looking at something else, but before we do, we're going to have a quick recap of those past times. So at the moment, my time is showing 10 o'clock. As it comes round here, I'd like you to tell me or write down what that time would be. Remember, we're counting round in fives. Okay, that time would be 5 minutes past 10. Okay, we start with the minutes and then we do the hours. Now I'm going to come round and I'm going to say the next time. So we've got 10 minutes past 10. Now this one often catches people out because often you hear people say 15 minutes past 10, but it's not. For this one we say quarter past 10 because it's quarter of the way round the clock. Bring it round to the next one. We have 20 minutes past 10, 25 minutes past 10, and lastly, hopefully none of you are saying 30 minutes past 10 because we say half past 10. Okay, so this is our times past the hour. Now when it hits half past, something changes because we don't come round and say 35 minutes past. This side is our half of the clock where we say 2. So we're counting up to the next hour, okay? So I'm just going to start with talking you through some of these and then we'll have a go at some questions. So if I was pointing at that number, I'm just going to count how many minutes is to my next hour. So it's coming around 5, 10, 15, 20. It's 25 minutes to the next hour, okay? Now you can see it's gone past the 10 and it's a little bit closer to the 11. So we would say 25 minutes to 11. Okay, that would be that time. When it comes around to the next one, it's on the 40, but we've got to count how many minutes to the next hour. Now remember, there's only 60 minutes in an hour, but if I need to break it down a little bit further, I can count round here in 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, it's 20 minutes to 11. Still coming up to that 11. Oh, now hopefully you'll remember this from when you did it with Miss McCarney. It is quarter to 11. Okay, I wonder if you can have a go at this one at home. It's pointing to 50, but we don't say 50 minutes past 10. We're counting to the next hour. So remember your 5s to help you counting up. 5, 10. We would say 10 minutes to 11. Okay, and this last one, hopefully getting the hang of this now. How many minutes to the next hour? We've got 5. So we say 5 to, and you can see that hour hand is just about getting there. Oh, 5 minutes to 11, and now we've got 11 o'clock, okay? So remember I said this half is past, this half is to. Now I'm going to do a few examples for you to try at home. I know this is really tricky, so just do your best with this, okay? So imagine I wasn't 11 o'clock, I've come all the way past, and I'm going to come to this time. Now remember, if you're not sure, how many lots of 5 do I need to get back to that o'clock? Okay, it's coming up to 12 o'clock, but it's not there yet. How many minutes are there? Okay, I'm going to count with you. 5, 10, 15, 20. It is 20 minutes. I'm just going to show you to 12. Okay, I'll show it again. So it's 20 minutes to 12 o'clock. Okay, next example. Oops, let me grab that one instead. Right. Okay, now if we look here, our hour hand is coming up to the 1, but it's not quite a 1 o'clock yet. Okay, it's still, let me start again. It's coming up to the 1, but it's not quite there yet. So we would say 10 minutes to 1. 5, 10 minutes to 1 o'clock. Okay. Now I'm just going to try a couple more examples. Oh, let's try this one. Okay. Now Now remember, we're looking at how many minutes we've got left to come up first. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we've got 25 minutes till it's coming up to that 1. So we say 25 minutes to 1. Okay, last example for you to try. Yay, right. Let's go around a bit more. Okay, so we're looking at our minutes hand first. How many minutes to get up to that top? Okay. If you look at our hours, our hour hand, it's coming up to this number. That might help you. Okay. Right, the answer you should have, hopefully, is 5 minutes to 2. 5 minutes to 2 should be your answer. Okay. Right, I'm going to pop it back to 2 o'clock for now. Now, as you can see, it's quite challenging. Even Mrs Hayes got stuck on a few of those, okay? But hope you enjoy exploring this at home, and hopefully you can have a practice with any clocks you've got there as well.